Hello everyone, welcome back to my heavenly babies. I am Angel and I am back today to do another unboxing. This is another reborns.com baby and it was a price I could not pass up. I don't even know this kit, but I just fell in love when I seen this baby. I will do a gender reveal and name reveal with you guys and do the unboxing to share it with you guys. The lady I got it from told me, sorry that it won't be a normal box opening like she normally does because she's in the middle of a move. And so all the stuff that she has for her babies, of course, is packed away. And she started a new job and it's far away. So things have just been hectic. But I said, don't worry about that. The best part is the baby. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and open and I'll share it with you guys. And let's just get started. Let's shut up and get started, right? All right, here we go. I've covered up the names to protect all of us, and we'll just go ahead and open it. I have just, unsealed it, but I haven't opened it yet. Okay, so we'll just kind of get everything out and, just get it all set up here, and then we'll do everything. I want to make sure that the baby is covered because as I can see, whoops, I'm sorry, I bumped that. As I can see, the face isn't covered. I don't even want to see it. So I'm going to cover it up, take out the authenticity of the paperwork. So we'll just get this baby out. Oh. Sorry guys, it's so hard to do because I didn't want the face to show. All right, hang on, let me just put this to the side and then I'll put the baby down. And I like that she did a basically neutral gender blanket. In some form it can be for boy or girl. So that's fine. Let me make sure that this baby is lined up. And maybe draw in a little bit more. All right, how fun. I'm so excited. Like I said, I don't even know this sculpt. I didn't even know it. I never heard of it. But I was madly in love when I seen this baby. All right, so let's just go ahead because it's a small, opening here. We'll just go ahead and see what we got. Very nice blanket though. And yeah, super cute. So let's see here if this is going to say what it is. So here's what I got with it. And it is a baby boy. Look at this cute bear outfit. How sweet. Of course, a little girl could wear this as well, but it is a little boy. I'll go over once I open it with you guys, but it is a little boy, and here's the little nook with it. And that's what came with it. That's all I got was just this, and then the blanket, and of course, whatever he is wearing. All right, so let's just get right to it. So yeah, you can see the blanket could have been for boy or girl, but it is more boy now that you're looking at it. Now that we know it's a boy, it would be more boy, All right, let's just go ahead, but we want to keep his face covered. And what really drew me to this baby was the mottling on it. It is insane. And she thinks that she overdid the mottling, but no, I don't think at all. Holy cow, the mottling is insane on it. It is so beautiful. Let's look at the beautiful feet. Oh my gosh, the feet are pretty. Wow, the nail beds are done really well. Look at this baby's feet. Oh, so sweet. Look at that. Aw, very, very precious. Very weighted really good too. Nice vinyl. I really like it, and the baby is weighted well. I'll tell you the weight and everything once I get to it. Here is the arms and the hands. I'm looking at the fingers. Oh, the fingertips are done really well. The toes and fingertips are done so well, and the mottling is just gorgeous. I'll get this baby up for you guys once I get up, and hopefully I'm not in the view here. But anyways, I was just so excited when I seen this baby because of the paint job on it, the mottling, and I only seen this baby as a boy, but it is actually represented as a girl, and we'll go over that, but let's go ahead and just show you the face. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hi, beautiful boy. Oh, look at the hair, you guys. The ears, the veining is so good. It's got the most beautiful eyelashes. Oh, they're long and they're beautiful. Here's the other side. The turning of the head's a little snug, but that's okay. Very, very cute baby. Oh my gosh. Let's see how the arms rotate. So they do go up, so that's good. And the legs. Aw, so beautiful. But I just don't see this one as a girl, but it is a girl. And let me go ahead and tell you the, the birth certificate now. It is a Reborn, and it is the Kimberly Asleep. I don't know if you guys know this one. I had never heard of this one, the Kimberly Asleep. When I seen it on there, I was just looking on Reborns, and that's when I found my Elijah. And then I seen this one and had a price, like a blown away price. Like this baby was it just blew me away. But she said she just thought she overdid it on the mottling, so that's why she went a little cheaper with it. But oh my God, the spider veins and everything, I'm going to show you guys this. It's insane. This baby the date of birth is 8/23/23 at 3 p.m. It is 5 pounds, 10 ounces. So great size baby, 20 inches. The reborn artist is Stephanie, and I don't know how to say the last name. I'm just going to put it up on the screen, but I'm going to try to kill that name. And the nursery name is Betha's Angel Garden. Betha's Angel Garden. I'll put it up on the screen. But here is the authenticity of the Kimberly Asleep Reborn, based off a real baby. Again, these are babies by Bountiful Babies that are scanned. The real baby is scanned, and they take a bunch of, photographs, and they scan them, put them on the computer, and then they sculpt out a version of the real baby. But like I said, I seen it as a boy, and I asked if she would send it as a boy because she was doing it as a girl. I asked if she would send it as a boy, and she said absolutely. So I see this one as a boy. Again, a boy. I know you guys are thinking, oh my gosh, that's 3 boys in a row, but I'm a boy mom, and I only seen this baby as a boy. So we'll go ahead and tell the name. I just want to say hi to him. Hi, sweetie. Boy, your head flops back good. Hi. You are so beautiful. Yes. Yes, you are. Yeah. Let's give mommy some cuddles. Yeah. Oh. Yes, I can't wait to snuggle you. You are so beautiful. Yes, you are. Beautiful. Should we tell everybody your name? Yes. So, I always, try to think of names that I think match the babies pretty good. And I even talked to my husband about it. We kind of do it together. And so this baby here, oh, he's got a little bit of stuff on his eyelash. This baby here is Cameron Cash. And I'm spelling Cameron like I put up there with a K and then the C for Cash. So he can be a Casey, for a nickname. But I know that I'm mostly going to be calling him Cameron. I just love the name Cameron, and I think he looks like a little Cameron. So beautiful. Yes, he is very, very beautiful. Now I'm going to bring him up to the camera to show you guys. God, is this head good? She really did great in the head. Let me show you. Look at that insane mottling, and yet she thinks she overdid it. Look at those eyelashes, you guys. Whoa, his head really flaps. Look at those beautiful eyelashes. Those are rooted, drawn hair. Isn't he gorgeous? Look at the fingernails and the mottling on the hand. Now we need to kind of adjust the screen so you guys can see really good. Look at those. Look at how beautiful the mottling is and the veining. Isn't this insane? I think the veining is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those fingernails and the tips. Oh my gosh. And then look at his legs. Well, you're seeing my hand. The legs. Look at the mottling on the legs and the beautiful feet. Oh my gosh. I'm a person that loves the boldness, and I love the mottling. Look at the toes. And then the toes on this side. Look at how beautifully done they are. And all that gorgeous mottling and veining. Isn't that beautiful? Little mark here. Love the marks. Love that they do it. But you see those spider veins? Oh, insane. He is beautiful. And he is weighted very well. Very well like a real baby. But isn't he gorgeous? Oh my gosh. Look at that cutie pie. Oh my goodness. He's so sweet. Okay, sorry guys. As I seen when I brought him back and laid him down, he was all blurry, so I had to crop that off. So just clipped it off and put, this one in so you guys can see him. But anyways, I'm just really happy with this baby. I was saying that I see him as a boy, even though he was a reborn, and the baby's name was Kimberly. It definitely could be a little girl, but I seen it as a boy, and I'm a boy mom. But I want to try out the pacifier to make sure it works. Oh, that's perfect. Boy, is that lined up perfectly. Awesome, 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 awesome. And I love the mottling on this baby. It's gorgeous. He is a lighter baby with great mottling, very well painted. I'm going to leave a great review on it. And I just absolutely love my Cameron. Yes, I do. I love you. You are beautiful, baby boy. Yeah, you are. Oh, I love my boys. Yes, I do. I really do. All right, you guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and on my newest addition, Cameron. So everybody welcome him. And he will give all you guys his first kiss. Mwah. He loves God, and I'm sure he's going to love his new mommy and daddy, all his aunties and uncles, grandmas and grandpas out there, and all of his cousins. And we'll be getting him into rotation and doing a spotlight on him. I love you guys as well. Mwah. But remember, God loves you the most. And I'm so thankful for all the beautiful babies I have. No matter what they are, I love them, and I love my Cameron. All right, everybody, take care. God bless, and I will see each and every one of you in my very next upload.